Hi guys, it's holiday today, so we took this opportunity to visit the first inside UAE's hand-carved Bab's Hindu Mandir Temple in Abu Dhabi. So for today's video guys, samahan nyo kami magsa-sightseeing yung hand-carved temple dito sa Abu Dhabi. Kasama ko pala ngayon si LP. At guys, sobrang stricto yung guardian nila. Grabe. Hindi talaga pwedeng mag-picture either video sa may entrance gate for safety reasons. So, hindi kami nakapag-video doon sa may entrance at nandito na nga kami sa loob. Sa loob, pero hindi pa kami nasa loob ng temple kasi pupunta pa kami doon. So, eto, naglalakad na nga kami ni LP. Kasi sa tingin namin parang dalawa lang kaming Pilipina ang nandito ngayon. So eto, papasok na kami sa loob at magriring muna ako ng bell, ng kampana.
This is the shoe room because you cannot go inside with a shoe. So there is a shoe room where you can put your shoes on the shoe rack. Sorry. Here. Because we're not allowed to go inside with a shoe. You should walk barefoot. Even with a socks. So remember you are in C. We are on C.
Walang exempted dito guys, mapabata, mapamatanda, may rayuma o may arthritis, maglalakad kayo na naka-barefoot.
So
going
barefoot,
inside the temple.
going inside the Mandir Bab's temple. Wow.
So this is the first look. Wow. All you can say is wow. Timing to visit Bab's Hindu Mandir Temple in Abu Dhabi is during Monday they are closed, and from Tuesday to Sunday they are open from 9 o'clock in the morning till 8 o'clock in the evening. You don't need any appointment and it's entrance free. We're lucky kasi sa mga oras na ito, dalawa lang kami ni LP ang kabayan, ang Pilipina na nandito sa loob na sightseeing. Ang ganda ng peacock, hand carved. Very impressive. Ang ganda. So pumasok na kami sa loob at ang ganda din talaga sa loob, yung marble plus yung mga hand carved din. Kaso nga lang hindi talaga pwede mag-video or picture. It's totally prohibited to take a video inside the temple. So eto nga, pababa na kami at mag-ikot na kami sa labas. Temple is not yet totally finished. As you can see, may mga workers pa din sa labas. Very impressive guys, yung hand carved nila. Ang ganda talagang tingnan. The Bab's Hindu Mandir Abu Dhabi in the UAE is a traditional Hindu mandir built by the Bab's Swaminarayan Sanstha, inspired by Pramukh Swami Maharaj and consecrated by Mahant Swami Maharaj on February 14, 2024. And this is the first traditional Hindu mandir in Abu Dhabi. If you wish to visit Bab's Hindu Mandir, you can take the bus 203 from Terminal Bus Station, Abu Dhabi City. The bus number 203 from Terminal going straight to Bab's, and it will cost only 5 dirhams. Temple is located at P6 Altaf Road, E16 Abu Muraika, Abu Dhabi, UAE, exit 366, Sheikh Maktoum bin Rashid Road, E11. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi, gifted the 27 hectares of land for the mandir in September 2019. The mandir gained legal status, and in December 2019, the construction commenced. The mandir is constructed from pink sandstone from northern Rajasthan and marble from Italy. The mandir stands 180 feet tall, 262 feet in length, and 180 feet in width. And this is the first Hindu stone mandir to undergo complete digital modeling and seismic simulation during the construction process. The mandir is a symbol of interfaith harmony, representing the UAE's and India's good relation to foster understanding, acceptance, and unity among people of different religious backgrounds. The mandir complex includes the traditional Hindu mandir, a visitor center, prayer halls, exhibition, learning areas, a sport area for children, thematic gardens, water features and food court, and a book and gift shops. Yan guys, napagod na sa kakalakad ng barefoot, nakaupo na rin, umupo na sa sahig. Ano ba tong chin ko? Hindi man lang makisama. Akala ko'y double lang, triple na pala eh. Triple chin na pala. Takpan ko nga lang. So on this side guys, constructions are still ongoing. Hindi pa kasi siya totally finished. So eto, mag-aura muna ako. Maganda din dito sa labas, may mga garden tapos may mga bleacher kung saan kayo pwedeng umupo. So eto na nga, muntik pa akong madapa dito. Ay nako. Akala ko kasi hindi siya mababa lang yung hagbang. Yun pala hindi. Muntika na talaga. So, eto, palabas na kami at kukunin na namin yung sapatos namin. Pero, nakita nga namin na may mga souvenir shop sila dito. So, nakiusyoso na rin kami. At ito nga yung loob ng souvenir shop. Tapos, after nun, katabi ng souvenir shop, may food court. So, instead, kunin na namin yung sapatos namin, pumasok pa kami sa may food court. At eto, nag-order pa kami at kakain muna kami bago kami uuwi.
Samosa. May panipuri. Indian food, of course.
Oh?
Ikaw. Doon na lang sa kabila. One panipuri and one samosa chat. Samosa niya. Samosa niya? Then what?
Panipuri. Say give them.
At eto, tapos na kaming kumain. At last, pupunta na talaga kami doon where we have started. Kasi kunin na namin yung sapatos namin at kami uuwi na. Sa itong mga oras na to, siguro mga 6 o'clock na to ng gabi. Pero ang dami pa rin nagsisidatingan.
So, pauwi na kami at kunin na namin ang aming shoes sa shoe rack. Kaso lang, amoy paa.
So, hanggang dito na lang ang video ko, guys. Hope you find this video more informative. Don't forget, guys, pa-subscribe naman, Red Blossom Vlogs. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Salamat po. Saan ba nakapark yung sasakyan natin? Parang nawala ata tayo, ah.